Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic AI agents. So let's get started. In agentic workflows, what is the primary purpose of the reflection design pattern? The correct answer is option B. To allow the LLM to examine its own output and suggest improvements or corrections. Which architectural component is essential for an autonomous agent to maintain context across multiple disconnected sessions? The correct answer is option A persistent state or memory layer. In the ReAct, Reason plus Act framework, what is the role of thought steps? The correct answer is option B. To provide a verbal reasoning trace that guides the selection of the next action. When using multi-agent systems like CrewAI or AutoGen, what does hierarchical orchestration imply? The correct answer is option C. A manager agent delegates tasks to worker agents and reviews their output. What is a tool in the context of LLM function calling? The correct answer is option B. An external API or function that the LLM can request to execute to perform specific tasks. Which technique is most effective for preventing an autonomous agent from entering an infinite loop of failed tool calls? The correct answer is option B, setting a maximum iteration limit or recursion_limit. In LangGraph, what does a node typically represent in an agentic workflow? The correct answer is option C. A function or a step in the computation, like an LLM call or tool execution. What is the main advantage of planning agents over simple zero-shot agents? The correct answer is option B. They can decompose complex goals into a sequence of manageable subtasks. How does short-term memory differ from long-term memory in an agentic system? The correct answer is option B. Short-term memory is the current conversation context. Long-term memory is external knowledge retrieval. What is self-correction in an autonomous LLM workflow? The correct answer is option B. The system identifying an error in a previous step and rerunning it with a modified approach. In a human-in-the-loop (HITL) agentic workflow, what is a breakpoint? The correct answer is option B. A planned pause where the agent waits for human approval or input before proceeding. Which of the following is a significant risk of autonomous tool use in production environments? The correct answer is option B. The agent might execute destructive commands, e.g. RM, RF, if not properly sandboxed. What is the tree of thoughts, TOT, prompting technique enable in agentic reasoning? The correct answer is option B, exploring multiple reasoning branches and evaluating which path is most promising. In multi-agent systems, what is state sharing? The correct answer is option B, a mechanism where different agents can access and modify a common pool of information. Which metric is most relevant for evaluating the efficiency of an autonomous agentic workflow? The correct answer is option A, total tokens per task completion. What is parallel tool calling in modern LLM APIs? The correct answer is option B. The LLM generating multiple tool execution requests in a single response. In the context of agents, what is a persona? The correct answer is option B. A set of instructions in the system prompt defining the agent's behavior, tone, and constraints. What is the primary function of an orchestrator in an autonomous workflow? The correct answer is option B. To manage the flow of data and control between different agents and tools. Why is sandboxing critical for agents that can execute code? The correct answer is option B. To isolate the execution environment and prevent the agent from damaging the host system. What is chain of verification cove? The correct answer is option B. A method where the model generates a response, identifies claims, and verifies them to reduce hallucinations. Which of the following describes a sequential agentic process? The correct answer is option A. Tasks are executed in a predefined order where the output of one is the input of the next. What is the role of a critic agent in a multi-agent debate pattern? The correct answer is option B. To challenge the reasoning and outputs of other agents to improve the final result. How does dynamic routing work in an agentic workflow? The correct answer is option B. An LLM router decides which specialized agent or tool to invoke based on the input. In autonomous workflows, what is task decomposition? The correct answer is option B, breaking down a high-level objective into smaller, actionable substeps. What is a state machine in the context of agentic AI? The correct answer is option B. A mathematical model of computation used to design agent logic with discrete states and transitions. What is the primary challenge of long-horizon planning for LLM agents? The correct answer is option A. The model for getting the original goal as the number of steps increases. What does grounding refer to in agentic workflows? The correct answer is option B, linking the agent's responses to real-world facts or provided source documents. In the context of agents, what is observation? The correct answer is option B. The feedback or data returned from the environment or a tool after an action is taken. Which of these is a popular open-source framework for building agentic workflows using graphs? The correct answer is option B, LangGraph. What is the agency in agentic AI? The correct answer is option B. The capacity of the system to make decisions and take actions independently to achieve a goal. Thank you for watching.